Okay, Mr. Satya. How do I convert centimeter into millimeter? One centimeter is how many millimeter?
So 10.
Okay. 1 meter is how many centimeter?
Hundred, so
1 kilometer is how many meters?
1000 meters.
Okay. Okay. So this is what I know. Okay. Then how do I convert centimeter into millimeter? Mr. Satya,
So we have to divide it by 10.
we have to divide or we have to multiply?
What? So your voice is cracking.
Do we have to divide or multiply?
Sorry, so multiple.
See, the simple thing that you always need to remember is that if I need to convert centimeter into millimeter, I will have more numbers. I'll have a bigger number. Because I'll have a bigger number, I'll have to multiply. Have you understood, Mr. Sarthak? Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are doing conversion, just always remember that from centimeter to millimeter, if you are converting, you will get a bigger number. So from 2.6, you will go to 26. And you can go to bigger number only if you multiply. Any doubt? Now meter to centimeter. Satya, what should I do?
So we have to divide it.
अरे दादा मीटर से सेंटीमीटर जा रहे हो, नंबर ज्यादा होंगे कम होंगे?
Sorry, so ज्यादा होंगे.
ज्यादा
Multiply.
है ना? भाई मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? ये कन्वर्जन है. सार्थक, एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
Just always remember that, say for example, you are going from centimeter to millimeter, your number will increase. But if you are going from millimeter to centimeter, the number you will have will decrease. So from centimeter to millimeter, you will have to multiply, but from millimeter to centimeter, you will have to divide. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
So the answer would be 88 centimeter. Sarthak, any doubt? Now Satya, if I have to go from meter to kilometer, my number would increase or decrease?
Sir, it would decrease. You have to divide it.
Yes, sir. I'll have to divide by
1000. So it would be 6.8 kilometers.
Shabash. Before doing such questions, always remember, always ask yourself, would the number increase or decrease? So for example, from kilometer to meter, would my answer increase or decrease?
Sir, increase.
Yes, I'll have a bigger number. So this 0.875 would increase. So what should I do? I should
Multiply it.
multiply by
Multiply by 100.
Sarji, 1000. This is my conversion factor. 1000.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So always ask yourself these simple questions. See, the number has increased. It was 0.875. It has become 875. Satya, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So always ask yourself this very simple question. So Satya, gram to milligram, would you have to multiply or divide?
So we have to divide.
Arey dada, gram to
Sorry, so
milligram,
multiply by 1000.
gram to kg, multiply or divide?
So multiply.
Arey क्यों multiply dada? From gram you are going to kg. You'll have a smaller number or a bigger number?
Sir, I'll have a smaller. Okay, so divide.
Divide. Kg to gram, bigger number, smaller number.
Bigger number.
So multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Tons to kg, bigger number, smaller number.
Bigger number.
Multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So 1 gram is equal to how many mg, Mr. Satya?
So 1 gram is equal to 1000 mg.
1000? Mr. Sarthak,
What, sir?
how many grams? Okay, how many milligrams make 1 gram?
So 1000.
How many grams make 1 kg?
So 1000.
How many kgs make 1 ton?
So 1000.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So 4.2 gram to mg. What should I do? I should multiply 4.2 by Mr. Satya.
We have to multiply it by 1000. So it would be 4200.
So 3940 gram to kg. I should divide 3940
By 1000. So it would be 3.94 kg.
4.1 kg to gram. I should multiply 4.1 by
1000. It would be 4100.
0.72 ton to kg. I should multiply by
1000. So it would be 720 kgs.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, this conversion becomes very, very critical when you are doing science. You will be doing physics, I think, from next class. So this will become very important. This conversion will become very important. Usually,
Okay, sir.
students get very confused about converting. So there are two basic things that you need to understand. One is, so for example, from milliliter to liter, if I am going, Mr. Satya, number will increase or decrease?
So it will decrease.
Or do I multiply or divide?
Divide.
Liters to milliliters, number will increase or decrease?
Increase.
Multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Liters to milliliters, number will increase or decrease?
So it will increase. Multiply.
Milliliters to liters, increase or decrease?
Decrease. Divide.
Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
And then you should know the conversion factor. 1 liter is how many ml?
What, sir?
1 liter is how many ml, Mr. Satya?
1000.
1000 ml. Great. 1 second. Okay, Mr. Satya. So 1800 ml to liters. What should I do? Divide 1800 by
1000.
shabash,
So it will be 1.8 liters.
shabash. Liters to ml. What should I do?
Multiplied by 1000. So it would be 3200 ml.
Shabash. 0.083 liters to ml. What should I do?
Multiply 0.83 by 1000. So
Shabash.
it would be 83 ml.
Nice, very nice. 250,000. What should I do? Divide by
We have divided by 1000.
shabash.
So it would be 250 liters.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Great. So again, in this, so here also, a lot of students face a lot of problem, area and volume. Now here again, what you need to ask is, I can write 1 centimeter square as 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Sarthak, any doubt about this?
No, sir.
1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Which means that 1 centimeter square is 100 millimeter square. Mr. Satya, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, if I have a conversion about meters, so 1 meter square is 1 meter into 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000 centimeter square. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So, from 56 centimeter square to millimeter square, will the number increase or decrease? Mr. Satya.
So the number will, I think, decrease.
अरे दादा सेंटीमीटर से मिलीमीटर जा रहे हो, नंबर डिक्रीज होगा इंक्रीज होगा?
It will increase.
इंक्रीज होगा ना भाई, तो मल्टीप्लाई
Yes.
करोगे डिवाइड करोगे?
Multiply.
मल्टीप्लाई बाय व्हाट?
Multiply by 100 mm. 100.
So it will be 5600 mm square. Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
In all these questions, first thing that you need to do is write the conversion first. And whenever you forget the conversion, you can use this method. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
And what you should understand very clearly is the number that you have, will it increase or decrease? You should be very clear before you even start the question. So I have covered the following areas. I think there's a mistake. They should have written square. Yeah. So meter square to centimeter square. Satya, the number will increase or decrease?
Sir, it will increase.
It will increase. So multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Multiply by what?
Multiplied by 100. Sorry,
Me-
sorry. 10,000.
Shabash.
So it would be 20,005. No, sir. Should I tell you the number? It would
नहीं,
be
ठीक है, वो-
20.
वो आप कर लीजिए. ये जो decimal है, it will become 00. This 00 and 00 will cancel. It will become 205 centimeter square. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Please be very clear. And this method that you are using for centimeter square or meter square or kilometer square, Same method can be used for volume conversion also. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
We'll be using the same method for volume conversion also. So for example, I have 1 centimeter cube. That is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Yeah. This is 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter. This is equal to 1000 millimeter cube. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Similarly, if I have 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube is 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter is equal to into 100 centimeter is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter cube. So 1 millimeter cube is equal to 1 million centimeter cube. Sarthak, any doubt?
Sir.
So this is the conversion that I have, and I should be very clear how to find the conversion. Even in the exam, if I forget, no use of cramming this conversion. You should know how to convert the areas as well as the volumes. Okay. So Mr. Satya, centimeter cube to meter cube. Number छोटा होगा बड़ा होगा?
छोटा होगा. Divide.
Divide. किससे divide करोगे?
So by we have to divide it by that 100
1 million. Yeah.
over 1 million.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Please be clear about the logic. Especially in physics, this will become very critical. Centimeter cube to meter cube. Mr. Sarthak, बड़ा number, छोटा number.
What, sir? Can you say that again? Your voice cracked.
Mr. Satya, centimeter cube to meter cube. बड़ा number या छोटा number?
छोटा number.
Multiply या divide?
Divide.
Divide by what?
1 million.
Shabash. 1 billion.
The answer will be 0.34.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.